Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate passive income with Getaround, beginner guides. To start earning passive income with Getaround, first, create your Getaround account. Visit the Getaround website or download the app on your smartphone. Complete the sign-up process by providing your personal information. Verify your email address to activate your account. After signing in, familiarize yourself with the platform's features. Next, navigate to the section to list your vehicle. Ensure your vehicle meets Getaround's requirements for eligibility. Prepare your vehicle for rental by cleaning it and taking quality photos. Provide an accurate and detailed description of your car's features. Set a competitive hourly or daily rental price based on market research. Once your listing is complete, submit it for review. After approval, your car will be live on the platform for potential renters. Promote your vehicle on social media or local online groups for extra visibility. Monitor inquiries and respond promptly to potential renters. Consider offering promotions or discounts to attract your first customers. Once you receive bookings, ensure your vehicle is ready for pickup. Communicate with renters to confirm details and address any questions. After each rental, check your car for any damage and clean it as needed. Update your listing based on renter feedback to improve future bookings. Track your earnings and expenses within the Getaround platform. Reinvest your profits into maintaining or upgrading your vehicle. Remember, consistency and good customer service can lead to higher ratings. Keep an eye on market trends to adjust your pricing and listing strategies. With dedication, you can successfully generate a steady stream of passive income with Getaround. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.